Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to block website on Google Chrome. First, as you can see, I have a website open. It's called pointerpointer.com, and it's a website that just locates the pointer where you move it, for example. If you want to block any website, just click on this. Lines right here. Go to Site Settings and just disable JavaScript or block it. Now go back to the website. And you will see that the website is successfully blocked. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos